Hello, welcome to my channel Tech Talk with Nathan. Today we are going to talk about Gateway API as a concept. If you have used Kubernetes long enough, you have probably used Ingress and it works fine till you run out into complexity. Ingress was initially the method to configure HTTP routing in Kubernetes. Then things became a mess quickly. As you can see in this picture, you have a bunch of annotations to reach out our goals, and also Ingress mixes responsibilities and it causes confusion and conflicts with advanced routing. So with multiple teams, Ingress can quickly become a bottleneck, leading to inefficiency and increased complexity. That's why Gateway API comes in. With Gateway API, we have a new traffic model with clear responsibilities within Kubernetes. The infrastructure providers are responsible for defining the gateway class. Cluster operators define the gateway, and application developers take care of routes. And this approach helps multiple teams to collaborate easily. So the first component of the Gateway API is GatewayClass. GatewayClass defines who manages traffic within Kubernetes cluster. It allows to select a specific implementation. So here you can see we have many providers: Cilium, Traffic, CTO, Envoy, Nginx, Kong, Gateway. In our demo, we will be talking about Cilium. The second one is Gateway Listener. The gateway acts as a shared entry point for incoming traffic and managing listeners on essential ports such as port 80 for HTTP and for 40 for HTTPS. The gateway listener are responsible for TLS termination, ensure secure communication. And then we have the routes. The route are the way find how the requests get routed within Kubernetes environment. Each route specifies host patch matches, enabling application team to direct traffic to specific service without needing to modify the underlying infrastructure. Here we have separation of concerns that empower teams to manage the application independently while ensuring seamless connectivity and efficient resource utilization across the company. The separation matters because of responsibility. Infrastructure team manage the entry point via GatewayClass and gateway, while the application team control the routing through routes. And this separation prevents conflict and enabling teams to work safer and simultaneously with different configuration. In my next video, I will doing the demo step by step how you implement this with MinuQ.